exit dive.
And he'll play. But if not, then maybe we'll just flat out cut him. And that'll be the end of it. Go wherever the hell you want. We'll pay the dead cat money.
Wow.
So he's got two options.
Of course. The light's red. That's red arrow.
Engine to 450 was trimmed by roughly 2/3. Some 100 agents were signed permanently or temporarily.
My dad worked with Joey and the guys who were supposed to guard Joey. I learned a lot of inside dope on what went down that night, but still none of it makes much sense.
Really?
Earlier in the year, we noticed that Joey wasn't on the block as much.
No one's behind me.
We'd still see him once or twice a week.
The guy just went right through the stop sign.
In New York. Other Cosa Nostra standbys rediscovered in the new century were garment center protection payouts for labor peace. Practices dating back to Lucky Luciano's heyday. The extortion artist
level. Hugo Lima, thank you for the super chat. It's Silcaros, thank you for joining. We appreciate it. Hugo Castellanos, thank you for the super chat. Le True Noir, I think just upgraded the Beard of Doom, upgraded the premium level. Awesome.
You didn't stop, and also that's...
Thank you for
mobsters on the sidewalk outside a Gambino club in Little Italy, known
just ran
as
right
the
through
Rat
the
Night.
stop sign.
The DA's men were concentrated.
For those of you on the East Coast, like where I'm from, that's like being in New Hampshire and asking somebody, where is the elm tree?
Really?
Other fans from...
And that's one of my biggest fears as a parent, to not know if my child's... So what can we share with parents about that?
Oh, Jesus. Red light run.
His throaty comments were relayed crystal clear to an FBI listening post 5 blocks away.
Red light run.
The last target.
Holy shit, someone actually... Whoa. Hey, I don't have a stop sign, dude. I almost said someone actually stopped, but I guess I was wrong. You didn't stop. Really? That light turned red. Oops. Uh-oh. Yeah, get back in. Speed up a little bit.
But he was going through a little bit of that funk, didn't play great, and then yesterday, that was the Josh Allen that we had seen the first 5 weeks of the season.
He's in the rear lane.
So maybe he's coming.
With the police hunting for him, Gotti left Vicky and their 5 children and hid out from the murder rap. A year later...
It's a red light, dude. Yeah, you better back up. Okay. You're not going to back up anymore. You're still in front of the line.
Blast came after a study by the state's organized crime task force
Did not stop.
that high-level management
Subaru
had 5 years of showdowns with mobsters. Was certain the New York families had no intention of capitulating because of the commission verdicts.
I Lindor to me.
Nope. And nope.
Gravano, 5 years younger than Dottie, had grown up in Brooklyn, but in less straitened circumstances than his future boss's indigent childhood. Gravano's Sicilian immigrant parents were sufficiently dangerous.
The sales executive raises an eyebrow. Seriously, what's it gonna
Wait,
take,
what the
Wally?
frick?
We've sat on this for 2 years.
Wrong exit, I guess.
Store tests.
To name a few, I love all of that stuff. Chili peppers if they're not too hot. Now I can't speak for the... When it gets so fucking hot,
Stop
it just
doing your hair
overpowers the
and
entire thing. I
drive.
feel like I'm at a party in this third...
Really? Of course.
Douglas Fensel, an agent Napolitano knew from previous brushes,
Red.
offered Napolitano his
Red.
We need a way to distinguish 501s. Everyone sells 5-pocket denim pants now.
Levi's
Really?
production chief Milton
Two of yous?
Grunbaum takes a drag on his cigar.
That's because the 501 is perfect. They can't beat perfection, so they copy it. Sure, but 501s don't stand out in the crowd like they used to.
Sales manager Bill Lagoria chips in.
Oh, wait, now you're turning right behind me.
Grunbaum
Both of
removes
you.
the cigar from his mouth.
Better not.
succeed. The previous evening, May 4th,
Pedestrian,
1981,
pedestrian, you're
several
taking
blocks
too
from
much
the
time to
Hall,
cross the
the
street.
trio of dissident couples had met for...
What lane are you going? Oh, shit! Jesus Christ! Left turn regret.
Gravano's turn came in 1977. Castellano...
That's the wrong
He
way!
never knew the victim's identity or the...
That's red.
Lions defense in that run game went up to Seattle and they punched the Seahawks right in the face. And they won a game, which, by all measures...
Wait, was that in the left turn
2020 is
lane?
the biggest upset.
Okay. Nice Escalade. Really? You didn't stop! What the hell's that guy doing up there? And he uses the shoulder now.
Kids who gotta inherit the world, it's a good thing, you know. So I don't know. What am I talking? I guess it's all right.
Someone almost got off at the wrong exit. Red light run. Red light run. Really? Seriously. Really?
where he portrayed the benevolent boss Don Corleone in The Godfather. Marlon Brando starred in a
That
different Hollywood story of the mob.
trailer guy.
Organized system.
Douchebag.
concentrated The shipping industry in neighboring Elizabeth in New Jersey.
Yeah, he's still going.
Area under the jurisdiction
Douchebagging
of
up the
Genovese
shoulder.
colony. ILA
Douchebag.
Local 18. Outside his select inner circle, no one was allowed to venture near him.
Oh,
gain
Jesus
his ear
Christ.
or his trust, and he seemed to lure witnesses. Although New Orleans witnessed the country's first...
Oh, he almost missed his exit.
Who showed their physical audacity in knife duels. The play
Did
toured
not
Sicily and Italy,
stop.
and the performances were instrumental.
The Mustang can't stop. Really?
The Mafia's presence and its culture of suspicion intimidated honest merchants and workers, preventing them from cooperating with investigators.
Yeah, what he
or
said.
testifying. The rare rebel who objected to the established
What are
order
you doing?
would find his vehicle vandalized, his tire herded by the Carter's trade associations against imposing meaningful reforms.
Wow, that guy.
Genovese
that red.
appointees dominated the lead.
Red. I'll do that.
Their fucking egos. It's all fucking ego-based, man. It's a crazy fucking time. So anyways, I listen to CDC. That's the group of scientists.
There's a big truck there.
Of how, with the help of the Westies gang, he had transmitted a $60,000 bribe to a juror in the case, prosecuted by Diane.
Oh!
Sammy the Bull's came to court clothed almost in imitation of Gaudy's high fashion.
Exit dive up there.
In well-tailored,
Bad one.
conservative, double-breasted suits, and by implying that he was framing Gaudy for crimes that he himself had committed, without
Exit
Gaudy's
dive.
knowledge.
Again.
Krieger and Carter Judge Glasser in a trophy.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. No, no, no. And another one for good measure. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You can't be there.
Still behind bars. In a motion presented to the court in 2016,
Exit dive.
Carmine's legal team gave
Tri-State
details regarding
Diesel.
the old man's slumping health.
Red light run. That was an exit dive.
These kids come along, they got 16 games to do what the fuck they did. So this whole, 17-0 Dolphins thing, where I just every year have to be like, yeah, if they play 2 more extra regular season games,
Exit
they automatically would have won those.
You're in the wrong lane, dude. Wait, what? it's not that confusing. I wonder what you're gonna do. Of course.
Manhattan DA Robert Morgenthau. Giuliani refused to discontinue.
That was red light run.
or
Badly. It was red for a while.
Charge of initiating a RICO enterprise case. With Giuliani's strong connections to the Justice Department's highest officials, he almost assuredly would have prevailed in an internal political battle if he had asked Washington
why
to
aren't you
resolve
turning
the RICO
left? You were in
jurisdictional
left turn
contest in
lane.
his favor. But amendments are fulfilled by employers. Under the Genovese plan, the spirit at the center became an essential consorting with known criminals and convicted mafiosi. Even though Vitali was suspected of being a made man, he had never been convicted of a mob.
Can we go any slower?
As close relatives,
Oh, of course.
the two men could
You picked the
reasonably
wrong
justify
lane.
visiting personal family dinners and social events. Without visitors to the hideout were either picked up in New York by Goldie or met him on Pennsylvania side roads before they were brought to Milford. Confident about Goldie's ability to watch his mirrors.
You didn't even stop, and you can only turn right on red. He didn't stop either. From the right lane.
Bronze were everywhere. sex-drenched symbols of Alley Boy's ribald beneficence. Trouble was,
all right.
he liked to drive that boat in a manner
Is it illegal to pass here? Yes or no? Because it's just a single line. It's not dashed or anything.
Just in case he was attacked.
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you can't be there. Budget. They rent those things to anybody. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please click on like and subscribe and comment below. I'll catch you next time. Okay, bye.